Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, December 28th, Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday, is the last trading day of the year. And we have to really take a step back into thinking, okay, let's not ruin the end of the year. This is just a high note from my personal opinion, because I think the market right now it's not in a state in which we want to take high stakes into trading, and it's just consolidating. It's showing us that there's a balance, but no one is wanting or willing to risk into either side, nor up nor down. This is news. This is showing signs of consolidating this price, but we don't have to lose into FOMO, into taking trades that are not worth. This is my personal highlight today, because despite the fact that, for example, initial jobless claims came higher than expected, continuing jobless claims came higher than expected, and pending home sales are really retracing lower with this minus 5.2 still in the negative year over year, we really have to pay attention into what the price is showing to us. And right now, there's nothing. There's nothing. This is the 30-minute chart. Since this huge sell-off, we've been pushing higher and higher and higher and higher, grinding higher. We destroyed the shorts up here, and since yesterday and today included, we've been just consolidating into this range. In the daily, let's see the continuous chart on the daily. This is the last 2 days. Look at this. There's no movement. And without movement, neither shorts nor longs make money. The only thing that I can show you today, it's my levels, and really, really encouraging you to take a step back and really have patience and the discipline required to wait for the market to really show you what it wants to do. Same as yesterday, in terms of technical analysis, we went through this daily fair value gap since 2022 January, and we are now waiting for this liquidity to be taken. And this is what I'm waiting for. Basically, now that we went through the fair value gap, the red box, and we have resting liquidity up here for all-time highs in the continued chart. Remember, we have to back adjust the continued chart down here. So I'm waiting for the market to really push these levels. I don't think we've been doing this kind of movement for nothing. Usually market has an extension for max pain, and the max pain for shorts is this. So I'm waiting. Today is not the day. Okay, I will be waiting for that. I'm going to wait for that because that move is going to provide me with a lot of opportunity, but I have to be patient. And right now, same as yesterday, big green candles followed by big red candles. Big green candles followed by big red candles. And the same is for today. Yesterday, I didn't take any trade. And today, I only took one trade. This is the only thing that I was comfortable taking. And it was after seeing that we basically took this liquidity. We tried to move higher. I didn't take this trade because basically there was no fair value gap in here, and I was not confident on seeing only this retracement lower after taking the pre-market high at that time. So I was waiting for really the pre-market lows to be taken out, and they were taken out. And once that was taken out, same choppy price action here. So again, waiting. On the 30-minute chart, we got this fair value gap that I have, as you can see here, I have a white dashed line at the 50% retracement of this box, of this fair value gap. And I have also watching basically that. So if we see my entry down here, it was almost tapping here. I was not super confident, but at least we got something. I think this is a fair enough retracement. And after this flash, I was watching this inverse fair value gap. If we dipped and went through that, maybe we can have a trade. And that's what I got. Basically, after this consolidation, I just had a limit buy order here with the stop below at these weeks, below the inverse fair value gap in here. And the target was not these highs up here. I think after seeing the price action today, this was basically too optimistic. And I just adjusted my expectations for the 50% retracement of this very fair value gap that we just left on the pre-market. So this is pre-market. Sorry, this is not pre-market. This is after the open. After the open, we continue lower. So the first sign of, okay, we are berries could be failing this, and we failed, but at least I took some points, 18 points, 360, only one contract. Price action does not worth any more than one contract. I'm adjusting my risk. I'm just waiting for the market to really show me something worth trading more than one contract, and right now there's nothing. 1.64 risk reward ratio. This is just a stab long. And I was right when basically taking this off, because look at this, we continue lower and chopping around, and we are now doing weird things, because here at 1 p.m. we got the 7-year note action auction, and as you can see, we passed from 4.4 to 3.85, and market didn't like this. I think this is too much, a lower interest compared with the previous one. So I think market is just freaking out. Look at this. It's freaking out. It tried to go higher and now it's lower. It's the same shit as yesterday. The same. This is garbage. This is yesterday, and today we have the same thing. So if you want to trade this market, go ahead. But I think it is my word. It is my work, my job to really tell you this is not worth trading. There's nothing here. This was just stab, and I could just lose this trade 100%, because the price action is not clear. We are not moving as expected. We are trying to go higher sometimes, and then big sell orders come through, and the other way around. We try to go lower and then big spikes in the green. So there's a lot of manipulation. And remember that we are in holidays. There's no that much volume. All the participants are not in the market, and weird shit happen. So it's up to you. My recommendation, you know that it's not worth trading this market. And if you do, please adjust your expectations, adjust your size for this market. Don't ruin your year in the last day or in the last 2 days. Dollar, it's pretty damn strong today, same as yields. So we have the dollar 3.331 and yields are in the green more than 1%. So I think today is not bullish enough. to take longs, and treasuries are also in the red. Small caps are also in the red. Tesla is 2% in the red. And I mean, there's a bunch of stocks doing decent. Nvidia is trying to build some trend. Google's trying to do some things into the power hour. But I mean, for me, this is not enough. Mixed sentiment on the banks. I'm expecting the big day. That day in which, if we see the daily continuous chart, that day in which we crash the rest of the gap that we have until all-time highs. This is, I'm waiting for this. And this is 2%. 2% from all-time highs. Having liquidity up here. I will be waiting tomorrow, and if not, the 2nd of January, I will be here because I think this shit is going to happen. Because as I said before, I mentioned earlier, we've been doing a lot of work towards up here not to take in the last mile the all-time highs. So this shit is gonna happen. This thing is gonna happen. When? Looks like today is not the day. So I will be waiting. I will be waiting here with patience, with discipline, and if I take some steps with risk management and adjusting my size, because this is what the market's telling me. Don't be stupid. Don't trade whatever you see, because this is not the price action you want to see. And I think that's enough for you to really understand that this is not optimum conditions for you to take trades. Once you understand that, you will be experienced enough for just take your day off, take your platform off, enjoy the rest of the day, and wait for better opportunities tomorrow, the next week, the next month, whatever. That's maturity. That's experience. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. I hope you are not making bad decisions in the last days of 2023. Please calm down. Please be patient. And remember that discipline and risk management are the key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow, Friday, the last trading day of 2023.